are back with another movie premiere.
Fuck you up, pack you up, pull up in a Mack truck, psychs out, meds out, caught you with your pants down. Say this, say that, boy, where your swing at? Run around crazy town, smoking crack, you freshen up.
Man, these niggas whack. I can't stand to be around a nigga that ain't got no rag. Told these bitches step it up, little nigga, I'm just spitting facts. Talking about it, I'm trying to see you, shorty, you my favorite snack. Text my phone, thirsty like, why you never call me Another back? one. Me It and was all my like, bitches
I
be
just posted the last one yesterday.
fucking hate Jason Derulo after he did what he did to Jordan Sparks. She did not deserve that. Okay, guys, we're going to see Top Gun today. And I feel like my fit is pretty Top Gun-y. It's as Top Gun as it could get. You know, I like to give credit where credit is due, unlike these other bitches. The turtleneck is a Nayla thing. You feel me? I don't know how she does this shit, because my neck...
Okay? Anybody who wear a fucking turtleneck.
Please cease and desist right now, because, like, we're coming for you.
Stop it. Get some help.
Every single last one of you guys. If you think we're not, bitch, think again. It starts at 6:15. I think it's in the city. It is really close to 5. I'll tell you that. But I'm gonna take a walk on the high road. So, facts. We have made it to the city, and we're now walking to the Regal movie theater. It's a 10-minute walk. I'm debating if I should take another high road, but I'm hungry and thirsty. So we'll be regular people today, for now. Received merch. Girl, hello? We've received merch, we got our tickets, and we also got free food. Why is there a Five Below in here? So I could have came in jeans and a t-shirt?
That's what I'm asking. You really could have.
They just paid for our ticket.
Yeah, this was a regular.
Hello. Oh, you got the tickets, Bookie.
Tickets, please. Thank you. You guys are all going straight down up that street.
Do we need glasses for the movie? Gotcha.
I thought it was 4XD.
I've never been to a 4XD movie before. The only 4XD movie I've ever been to actually was the Dora movie, but it was at the Bronx Zoo. And they like threw bubbles. There was banana smells and stuff. But we had glasses because stuff like popped up out at you. But we can get 1 free small popcorn, a small soda, and or a 20-ounce bottle of water.
That's it?
What the fuck y'all doing? Y'all rationing around here? Come on, hook me up. 2 little fucking string beans? Give me the goddamn string beans. I want some fucking devil eggs. I like fruit. Don't you like fruit? I like fruit. But this pork shit.
Paramount, we have to talk. Because some merch, like there's literally no setup here for the movie. Like this is the worst screening I've ever been to.
You want butter?
Yes, please. Them sodas don't include the icy, right?
Nah, it's only like regular amount.
Okay.
What's up, player? Wanna go to the movies? Break your motherfucking eggs.
Like Pepsi, lemonade, root beer, Mountain
They couldn't even get us hot dogs for Paramount.
Break your eggs. What? How you doing, Mr. Nice Plan? Get your fuck.
Oh yeah, just take a
more happier.
Where's the season? I put it on. It's got
So we're now in the movie theater, but we might not watch this movie. We took pictures. This is probably the only good thing they got to take a picture in front of right now. This.
Right? Literally.
I got a Getty Images though. You bitches could never. About that one. And I wish we took that walk on the high road before we got here. Kind of regretting that now. Yeah. But the hat is kind of cute. Would I wear it again? Let me put it on for real.
Tonight, you're not just watching Top Gun, you're flying with Maverick. So buckle up, hold on to your drinks, and prepare for takeoff because in 4DX, the need for speed is very real. Make sure to share your experience tonight on socials, tag 4DX, Top Gun Movie, and Regal Movies. We can't wait to see your posts from the Danger Zone. Enjoy the movie, everyone, and welcome to 4DX.
From the Danger Zone? Yeah, it's probably a Top Gun reference.
With 4DX, the most immersive cinema-going experience.
Hold on. Wait. Why would you squirt on my face like that? Why would you squirt on me like that? Okay, no more.
And feel all of your senses come alive. Feel it in 4DX.
Bearing 010, sir. Cougar, he's got missile lock on us. Get away from this guy. Hell is this shit.